SSD upgrade, RAM upgrade, and speaker replacement on Asus TP300LA laptop. Thank you to Sir Sam for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Upgrading the SSD and RAM along with installing new speakers on a laptop is a highly beneficial decision that can greatly enhance overall performance, increase multitasking efficiency, and improve the audio quality of the device. By upgrading to an SSD, you can experience faster boot times, quicker file access, and a smoother operation, while additional RAM allows the laptop to handle more demanding applications with ease, reducing lag and improving system stability. 044. Installing new speakers further elevates the experience by providing clearer, more dynamic sound for media consumption, video conferencing, and everyday use. These combined upgrades not only extend the life of your laptop, but also transform it into a more capable and enjoyable device without the need for a costly new purchase. However, at PTIT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Upgrading SSD and RAM upgrade and new speakers down. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your RAM and SSD upgrade and new speaker too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.